Hi everyone! Welcome to the step-by-step instructional guide to help you learn how to open and close your new adjustable knot bracelet. So let's get started. Here we have your bracelet, and what we're going to do is pull on the two-end gemstone gently and pull the bracelet apart just like the demonstration. And this is how we open it. And I do emphasize pulling gently. And to close it, we're just going to pull on the two dangly ends gently to close it. Let's do that again. Pull on the two ends, open. Pull on the two dangly ends, close. Perfect, yay! Part 2, we're going to learn how to open and close the bracelet on your wrist. So we're going to open the bracelet by pulling on the two end gemstones. Then we're going to slide the bracelet gently on our wrist, just like this. Then we're going to hold one end of the dangly cord with our middle finger and pull on the other end with our other hand to tighten it, just like that. Now, we're going to just check the tightness by pulling on the cord. Then to open it, we're going to pull on the one end of the bead, the gemstone, gently, of course. So let's try that again. To tighten, hold in the middle of our palm with our middle finger, then pull with our other hand on the other end of the dangly cord. Perfect. Then we can check the tightness and see if we want it tighter or looser at this point. Enjoy!